Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and as you guys can see, I got my battery percentage right here. But if you don't have it, go over to battery settings, and here, go to battery percentage. Now, if it's set to high, then it's normal that you do not have your battery, but if it's set to, let's say, inside or outside and you just don't see your battery here, or it just shows 0, then restart the device to reset the battery sensor. So let's press the power button, the volume up button. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and search for Battery Widget on the Play Store. So we're gonna open up the Play Store right now. We're gonna go over and click on search once it all loads up after the restart. Tap search and search for Battery Widget and then Reborn. Here we're gonna install the Battery Widget Reborn made by Tomas Koubalik. I've been using this app for almost a couple of months now, and it's never let me down. It's always the best app, the best widget you can get for free. So now the download is pending and it should soon be done. It's only 11.5 megabytes. So let's go over and click open. Now here, after we click open, we need to go over and click on start manually. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna pinch our screen here, go to cards, and here we got the widgets. Now here we got the classic ones, and we need to scroll down until we see Battery Widget Reborn 2025. We're gonna choose this widget right here, and here we can change the configuration. So for example, 41 without the percentages and etc. And now we got our battery widget right here. We can also make it a bit bigger, and if it also says 0 right here, then you need to go over to the authorized device support and tell them about the issue, and it's probably a not working battery sensor. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.